We all know about the story of Ramayana. There is always a debate whether Ramayana is a history or mythology. For me, it nowhere matters whether Ramayana is a mythology or history. In fact, I don't know what is true. But one thing I am very sure, that is Ramayana has hidden lot of encryptic signals inside it. For me, all the characters of Ramayana is hidden inside you. Either it is Ram, Sita, Hanuman or Ravana. Ram is your being, your whole being, what you have not lost, what God has made as it is, not a pinch less, everything as it is. I incarnated God, that is Ram. Sita is something which is your feminine character. There is a famous story that when God has created us, He has not created male and female separately. Initially, they were attached to a one body itself. So male and female both were attached to each other. There was no separation and they together used to form a complete being. But at the later stages, problem started when two bodies cannot deliver, cannot execute their day-to-day activities in very simple terms. Therefore they prayed to God that God, please separate us. It is difficult to survive two bodies in a single form. And upon hearing their plea, God has separated them. And in millions and millions of ages, they started breeding separately. And in China, still it is told that the love that you are searching, that the soulmate that you are searching is actually your half being that has been separated from you millions of years ago. That is why howsoever beautiful man or a beautiful woman you get, you will never get satisfied till the time you find that which you have lost from your body, your half being. The search of your half being is called love. And when I see the Ramayana, I also feel the same thing, that Ram and Sita, they together forms a being. And with time, when Sita gets separated from the Ram, the grief started, the real pain started, and we all can understand the pain of Ram from that Chinese story. So the story of Ramayana says, when Ram has been incarnated, he was complete. And gradually, what happens inside us also, that we all are in control of our mind. Our mind is nothing but Ravana. As we know, in Ramayana also, Ravan has been represented with 10 heads. This 10 head says a person who is completely in control of his mind. So if we try to sync our story on Ramayana, we can say Ram is the incarnated God, Sita is the being who lost from the Ram, and Ram remained incompleted. And the reason why Sita get lost from the Ram got intoxicated from his mind. Ravana overpowered the Ram. The mind overpowered the body. And the time mind overpowers you, you will not remain completed, because mind is body and you are beyond body. When you start thinking yourself as a body only, that is the state when mind completely overpowers you, and you will lost your being there itself. So when mind overpowered Ram, when Ravan overpowered Ram, Ram lost his Sita, means Ram lost his half being. Ram remained incompleted. We discussed about the three characters, Ram, Sita and Ravana. What about the fourth character, where he is the Hanuman? As we know from the story of Ramayana, Hanuman played an important role to win the war of Ramayana, to win the war of Ram and Ravana. Without the help of Hanuman, it was almost impossible to win that war. But why we brought this character in our story, how it resembles in our being. Hanuman is the son of Vayu, the son of wind. We call Hanuman as Vayu Putra. And we all know from the various techniques of spiritualism, if you want to control your brain, if you want to come out from the mastery of the brain, if you want to make your brain as a slave once again, then you need to do various practice that spiritualism has taught you. One of the important practice, and in fact all the important practice of spiritualism, says you to control on your breath. Vipassana, which is one of the important spiritualism practice, which is one of the Dhyana Yoga. All it says how to control your breath. Once you are able to control on your breath, it is very easy to make your brain as a slave once again. We can discuss sometime again how to control breath and how breath is directly related from the control of your mind. So as per my understanding, Hanuman is your breath, and once you control Hanuman, it will help you to defeat the Ravana, which is your brain. And once you have defeated Ravana, you will get your half being whom you have lost, that is Sita. And once you will get your half being, you will become complete. You will become God again. You will become Bhagavan Ram once again. That is Ramayana. Thank you.